Welcome to 2-minute classes. We are going to have introduction of loops. Okay, so loops are used when you want to repeat a set of statements. So suppose in your code there are n number of statements and out of them you want to repeat some statements. In that case you are going to use loops. There are two kinds of loops in Python. First is for loop and the second one is while loop. Okay, so let us have a example of loops. Suppose I want to print hello for 10 times. Okay, so in order to keep the track of 10, we are going to initialize a variable I with 1. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to print hello. Then after printing I will increase the value of I. After increasing the value of I, we are going to check whether it has reached 10. Okay, so I am checking if I is less than 10. If I has not reached 10, then I will again repeat printing hello, increasing I, again checking, then again printing. And if suppose I is not less than 10, suppose I has reached the value 10 or like 11, in that case I am going to stop. Okay, so how this program will work? I will be initialized with 1. Okay, then it will print, suppose this is my output screen, it will print hello. Then it will increase the value of I will become 2. 2 is less than 10, yes, then again it will print hello. Okay, then it will increase the value of I to 3. 3 is again less than 10, then again it will print hello. Again it will increase the value of I to 4. Then it will like go on like this till 9. Okay, once the value of I becomes 10, in that case 10 is not less than 10. 10 is equal to 10. So in that case it is going to stop. Okay, so in this program we are ending the execution. In normal program you may continue with your normal code. Let us have a look at the syntax of both the loops. We are taking the same example of printing hello for 10 times. So this is the syntax of for loop. You will have a keyword for, then the variable I, you can have anything instead of this, then there is a keyword in. Okay, after this you are using a function range. Okay, so I want to print hello for 10 times, so over here I have written 10. So what it will do, it will take values of I from 1 to 10. So I is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. Okay, so whatever you are writing in range, it will take a value 1 less than whatever you have written over here. So if it is 10, then it will take value 9. So this thing will execute for 10 times. So it will take the value 1, print hello, then take the value 2, print hello. It will execute for 10 times. Okay, so a for loop will have a colon at its end, which marks the beginning of the for loop. A while loop looks like this. There is only one keyword while, and then there is a condition. Okay, in while loop we are not going to use range function, we are going to use a condition over here. Because I want to print hello for 10 times, so I have initialized I over here. This is not a part of syntax, but because I want to print hello 10 times, I have initialized I with 1. Then I have applied the condition I less than 10. So 1 is obviously less than 10, then it will print hello. Then I am incrementing while in this. While does not have a mechanism like for to have the values from 1 to 10. That is why we are doing it manually, initializing it with 1, and in the body we are incrementing it 1 by 1. So both these programs will print hello for 10 times.